In this video, we'll talk a little bit about the Include multi-tool and what it does. So the Include multi-tool, where it's found, is basically just the Include icon up the top left-hand corner here when you log into the Include system. So as you can see, if I click on the tool, it minimises it. So if I then hover over it, it's still there. So again, click it again, it opens it up. So the general concept of the multi-tool is whenever you want to do anything or find anything, you go to the multi-tool from whatever screen you're in. So I can go mode, new, I want to create a job, I want to create a quote, I want to do a checklist, I want to do an invoice, I want to create a new variation, I want to create a new CIS item. The new is all done from this multi-tool. The same concept if you want to list anything, go to list, and list activity request, list checklist, list CIS items. Also from the multi-tool, there are the functions. The function section will identify it based on what area you're in, what you can actually do. So you can see here I'm in a quote request. So if I hover over my icon and go functions, so the functions I've got are upload a document or add a note. If I was in my list job requests, I could highlight a line here which is a job, and I could hover over my multi-tool and go functions, and these are the functions that I've got based on that grid that I'm in. So I can do an invoice, I can allocate a job, I can export the list to Excel, do a new activity request, which is an external allocation as opposed to an internal allocation, proposal request, which is just the include terminology for a quote, upload a document, add a note, or do an info request. Now, an info request is something like a SWIMS or a safety document that needs to be sent out as part of a job.